Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titin natin ang energies na parating sa inyo. Second half ng 2024, July to December 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto niyo mag-book for a reading. Okay, Virgo, let's see what's coming to you. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Virgo? Second half ng 2024. The Fool. Uy, malakas ang loob nyo ngayon. You are a risk taker. So, yung iba pwedeng, kung dati medyo takot kayo na sumubok ng mga bagong bagay, ngayon, open na kayo dyan. No? So, pwedeng meron kayong try na bagong trabaho, business, career, projects, or kasi parang you are stepping into the unknown or anything na wala ka pang experience about, no? Pero open ka dun sa bagong, sa exciting new beginnings na yan, okay? So, it can be a new job, a new career, pwede rin new relationships for some of you. Let's see your possible challenge. You have the Page of Pentacles. So, maaring may mga, ang isa sa challenge dito is, pwede kasing meron kayong subukan na wala pa kayong masyadong alam tungkol doon. Kumbaga, hindi kayo ganun kahanda. Okay? So, the challenge for you is kung paano mo paghahandaan yung bagong experience na yan na susubukan mo. Okay? For example, example lang naman, gusto mong ma-experience ang bungee jumping or skydiving, anything extreme. So, hindi naman pwedeng bigla ka lang, gusto ko na yan, now na. Go, mapupunta ka na doon, no? Meron pa yung mga, let's say parang practice, orientation. So, you have to be open to that para at least alam mo yung gagawin mo if something na challenging happens. Okay? So, kumbaga, yes, it's a new experience, but at the same time, ready ka for uncertainties. Okay? So, this is you learning new skills, learning new abilities, may bagong knowledge. Yung iba, ito ay investment. Let's say, wala ka pang alam sa cryptocurrency, sa mga sa stock market, pero meron kang nakita na kaibigan mo or someone na ang ganda ng nangyayari sa buhay niya dahil yun yung business niya, yun yung pinagkakakitaan niya. Hindi naman pwedeng basta ka na lang mag-invest sa stock market or sa crypto nang wala kang knowledge about it. Okay? So that's your challenge, is to inform yourself, to educate yourself sa mga bagay na susubukan mo. Okay? So your opportunity is, wow, transformation. There's new beginnings definitely coming in for you. This is a major change. Kasi the Fool, tapos may Death card, Major change. So, pwedeng meron kang i-let go na, i-release, tatapusin, endings, to start something new. Let's see. Tingnan natin anong area of life tong may transformation for you. Fourth house, family life. Pwedeng bahay, no? Pwedeng lilipat kayo ng bahay, lilipat ng country. Okay? Fourth house is also your family life, no? So, syempre, yung iba, baka magkakaroon ng bagong family member. Okay, let's see what else. 10th house of your career. So, yung iba, may mga susubukang bagong trabaho, negosyo, pagkakakitaan, no? Let's see your blessing. What is the blessing for Virgo? Blessing for Virgo. The Magician. This is your energy, Virgo. Look at that. Power, action, skill. You're going to be very powerful. I see a major, powerful transformation for you. Ito yung tipong, kung merong mga nakakilala sa'yo ngayon, after nitong second half ng 2024, next year, masabi nila na, uy, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. Oh, 'di ba? Pwedeng physical changes, no? Or sa finances mo, marami ka ng achievement, 'di ba? You are stepping into your own power. Kasi nare-realize mo na marami ka palang kayang gawin. Mm-mm. Yung mga potentials mo. Ayan, binubuhay mo ang mga potentials mo. What is the Fool? The Lovers, commitment. O yung iba sa inyo, papasok sa isang committed relationship. Committed na trabaho. May contract signing din. Let's see what else. Uy, the Emperor. Okay, so the Emperor is about structure, discipline, no, sa sarili mo. So, ayan yung challenge sa'yo na ano man yung pasukin mo na bagong simula, no, bagong chapter sa buhay mo ngayong second half ng 2024, kailangan paghandaan mo siya. Kasi, magiging mas madali sa'yo na i-navigate yan kung ready ka. Okay? If it's a new job, you have to train. Kailangan may training. If this is a new relationship, dapat ready ka mentally, physically, emotionally. Diba? Let's see, what is the Death card? You have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Major change in your financial aspect. So, there is financial stability, abundance, independence. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay umaasa sa ibang tao noon, no? Pagdating sa pera, ngayon, kayang-kaya nyo nang mag-provide para sa sarili ninyo. Kumbaga, sobra pa. Sobra pa para makatulong rin sa iba. What is the Magician? You have the Eight of Pentacles. Yes. You are improving your skills. You are mastering your craft. Kung saan ka magaling, kung nasaan yung potentials mo, ayan yung susubukan mo. And at the same time, mas lalo mo pang gagalingan. Oo, pwedeng mag-undergo ka sa maraming training or mas i-expose mo yung sarili mo dyan. Trial and error hanggang sa ma-master mo talaga yung craft na yan. Okay? So, let's see your money, career, finances. Para sa mga Virgo, money, career, finances for Virgo. Bothered. O yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong pag-aalala, no? Sa mga gagawin nyo, sa mga susubukan nyo. Don't fear failure. Wag daw kayo matakot sa failure. But be afraid of regrets. Oo, kasi iba, mas nagre-regret sila doon sa mga bagay na hindi nila sinubukan. Kasi hindi nila nalaman kung ano yung outcome sana nun eh. 'Di ba? Oo. And magiging maingat ka rin sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. Yung iba sa inyo, tatanggalin nyo na yung mga utang or yung credit card, ipapakat nyo na yan kasi mas gusto nyo ngayon cash. Nababayaran nyo agad-agad kung ano yung mga needs ninyo. Kumbaga awareness kung saan mo dinadala yung pera, saan ano yung pinagkakagastusan mo, para at least no, na-monitor mo saan napupunta. You have judgment, major change in your career, your finances. This is financial stability, prosperity. Oh my God, Virgo, napakaganda ng energies for your finances. So, this is stability, no? May continuous yung daloy ng pera sa inyo. Kasi due to your hard work din, I think masaya kayo sa gagawin nyo, no? Sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career. Meron kayong mga ginagawang pagbabago, yung mga unhealthy habits nyo sa trabaho, sa pera, tinatanggal nyo na yan. At nagfo-focus kayo sa mga bagay na mas makakapagpa-improve ng inyong financial situation. So, sa love life naman, reconciliation, ako may pagbabalikan. Oh, love is lovelier the second time around. Oh my God. You are giving someone a chance. Okay? Oh. Kung deserve naman niya, bakit hindi? Pero sa tingin ko, kasi dalawa to, oh. Reconciliation and giving a person a chance. Kasi yung reconciliation pwede yung nagkaayos kayo, but it doesn't mean na you will magkakabalikan. Pero itong chance, binibigyan mo talaga ng chance to be, this person to be part of your life. Pwedeng romantic connection, pwede rin namang friendship or sa family, okay? Just take what resonates. Family. Kasi gusto mo makumpleto yung family with the Four of Wands. Union, temperance. I think sa ngayon mas mas kalmado ka pagdating sa relationship. And you are also healing from that. So kung meron kang naging problema with someone before, you've healed from that, aayusin nyo kung ano yung naging problema. Oh my God, share yun to. This is success. So it seems na mas focus ka ngayon sa pagde-develop ng family life mo, pag-improve ng family life mo, and your career, your opportunities. Wow, there's definitely success in your relationship. You have the moon in Leo in the 5th house. Parang ano to you will find yourself in love again with this person. Dahil naisip nyo na napaka-importante rin ng mga nasimulan nyo together. Pwede kasing yung naging reason ng issue ng away ninyo before is masyadong malamya, no? Kumbaga parang wala naman talagang, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung issue. You have Mercury and Virgo in the 6th house. Be careful with your health, no? Sa iyong kalusugan. Make sure to take care of your health. Lalo na kung may mga hindi mo pinapansin na nararamdaman mo sa katawan mo na there's something wrong, you have to have it checked. Pa-check up mo na. The truth is different at different levels of consciousness, reserved judgment. So hindi ka basta-basta magpapaniwala sa mga naririnig mo. You really want to verify first before ka maniwala. Okay? Kasi yung katotohanan, nag-iiba-iba yan sa pananaw ng ibang tao. Okay? So, kumbaga, mas magiging malawak ang iyong pangunawa sa iba. At you're not going to be that judgmental person na laging dinedefine ang katauhan ng isang tao base sa ginagawa lang niya. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.